Hey guys, this is Kishore from Digital Monk. If you're watching this video on YouTube, subscribe to my YouTube channel where I upload everyday video on digital marketing. So today's topic is how to buy a web hosting. So to buy, again, if just for fact, if you want to know why you want to buy a web hosting, check my previous videos about what is web hosting. So places to buy web hosting, very famous. There's so many websites you can buy from. One of the very famous one is called Hostgator. If you're watching this video in the LMS, I think I made a slight typo mistake. Just give me a second. It's hostgator.in. Hostgator.com is for US. So this is one of the famous websites to buy. I don't recommend buying hosting from GoDaddy, guys. Their hosting space or the limit is very low. For that reason, I don't recommend it. On the other hand, few of my client sites I recommend Namecheap. As I said in the previous class, while buying domain, I told not to buy from Namecheap because most of the times your card transaction fails as they don't even also have UPI. If you have PayPal or any of the nationalized bank cards, you can buy from Namecheap. Okay, for now I'm going to show you how to buy a hosting in Hostgator. So, and again guys, there is a link in the description or link in the LMS where you can click and come to Hostgator. That's my affiliate link. It doesn't increase your price in any way. Feel free to click on it and buy it. So coming back guys, go to hosting, web hosting. Here choose the option called as Linux hosting. This is the one we should be using because for WordPress we need this. And again, do not buy this hosting. This is performance hosting, not recommended. Okay, so it's not that great. I have tried it out, but go with Linux hosting. Again you have server location here. If you want better performance guys, always buy from the country only, but usually the price is a little bit more expensive in the same country. For that reason, buy for now, you can buy from US server only, but if you want better performance, buy from Indian server data center. So now coming back, you have 4 plans here. The plan says if you want one website or one domain, go with the first plan. If you want again same website, here it has 10 GB of disk space. Here it says unmetered. For this you can go with this. If you want unlimited websites, you should be going for this plan. It's called baby plan. So I don't recommend for now to go with any baby plan for now, since I have one website for now. Now of course at any time, a point of time in the future, if you want to scale, you can always upgrade your plans. Okay, so I'll go with this plan, starter plan. I'll click on the drop down. I will buy for 1 year. Okay, and I click on buy now. Now they're going to ask you to buy all this stuff guys. This is where they upsell and cross sell. Don't buy any of this stuff. None of them are actually required. So just click continue. So it says you use your domain which you already own or create a new domain. The domain is already bought on GoDaddy guys, if you remember my previous video. For now, just use this option. Okay, and I don't recommend buying domain and Hostgator for fact. Okay, so here just type in the domain name. It's add loop.in. This is the domain which I bought. Once it is done, you just click on this next button. Now once you come here, now this is the plan they're suggesting for. They have already applied a coupon, so it is 2,254 rupees for 1 year. Okay, for one website. So once it is done, there is an option here called as continue. Click on continue. And here you have to create an account. I don't have an account. For that reason, I have to create an account. I click on create account. So let me start filling the information. So I'll start filling. You don't have to fill the exact door number, street number guys. Just put the area number or the city you live in. That's good enough. Country is fine, India. State, Karnataka. Again, city, Bangalore. Postal code 560003. So add your phone number. If you have a GST number, if you want to get an input credit, if you're buying for your business, make sure you put your GST number. So as of now, I don't have. I'll just click on next. So next one comes is your email. Now this is the email which I'm buying. Make sure don't make any spelling mistakes. Take a couple of minutes, check if you have put the exact email. Again, don't make any mistakes because the cPanel, the web hosting cPanel credentials will be sent to this mail only. Okay, so here give a strong password. Once it is done, agree with the terms and conditions that you're not going to misuse the hosting. So just tick this and click on create account. Now once you click on this, it should go to the next step. Sometimes guys, they're going to ask you to verify your account. Okay, verify means check your mail. Sometimes if you notice here, customer sign up. Now I don't get any mail, but usually you get sometimes to verify your mail. Make sure you verify it. Okay, so here you have multiple options. You can pay with credit card, debit card, PayU, CC Avenue. Lot of options are there. Feel free to choose whichever you want. I'll go with PayU for now. Click on Pay Now. And yes, I have wallet option here. UPI option is there. I'll go with UPI. So I'll go with PhonePe, or I think this is getting trickier. I should have checked it. Scan and pay. Go with this. So it saves a lot of time for now. And I've just done the transaction. Hopefully it should redirect to your order page. Do not worry guys, by any chance your order got fails or something goes wrong, do not worry, it should automatically redirect. Seems like my order got failed. Yeah, it's just wait, just don't refresh the page, just wait for a couple of seconds and it should automatically redirect to this page. Now this is what I want to tell you guys in terms of buying hosting. It's not that difficult. I think I was able to try to figure out. I use UPI for that. I couldn't figure it out. So I think you'll be able to find how to do the checkout. So it says, thank you for doing the payment. All it's done. By any chance you have not liked the hosting, you want to change your hosting to some other company, I think they have a 30 days or 645 days refund policy. So feel free to contact their support here. Support number is there. Support chat is there. So feel free to contact them. By any chance order got failed, anything that goes wrong, your money is safe guys. Okay, they don't want your, if they didn't provide service, they can't keep your money. Okay, so I already got mails. So can I see here, I just got the mail for this which I have purchased. So I'll just wait for a couple of minutes. I didn't get any other information here guys. I just got the confirmation. Usually it takes a couple of minutes. You should get the hosting cPanel information. I think, can I see it went to spam? So I think this is the one. I'll just check your spam guys. Sometimes if it's not come, wait for 5 minutes. If you didn't get it, I'll just mark it as not spam. It comes to my inbox. This is the one I get. So open the mail, scroll down. Now these two are the name servers for which you have to change in your domain, which I'll teach you in the next video. And if you scroll down, you get your FTP access, FTP, your IP address of the hosting. And also if you notice here, your cPanel address, your username and password. Don't copy my username and password. By the time you watch this video, I would have changed the password. Don't try any of those crazy stuff. Okay guys, this is how you buy the hosting. You should be getting a mail like this. If you didn't get also, you can access directly through cPanel, through Hostgator account also. You can go to my account and also you can access your cPanel, but don't say delete this email, bookmark it or save this email because this information are very important. I'll tell you what to do with information in the next topic. Okay, so just go to, if you want to access through here also, you have, this is the dashboard of Hostgator, manage orders, list and search orders. Click on the first option and you can access your hosting here. This is the hosting, single domain Linux hosting. You have to click on the domain name, okay, on it. And then you can access here, somewhere here, let me just show you here. Can you see cPanel access, cPanel details? You can click on this and access the cPanel. Okay, so this is aspect of buying hosting. Thank you. Have a nice day. If you're watching this video on YouTube, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.